So for me, I wanted to go on a big adventure, but most importantly, I wanted to visit the home country of my mom after so many years. I believe the last time I was here was in 2008. I was a little boy, and now I had the urge to finally come to Manila again, especially to Taguig, and visit all the relatives again and my second family. How did I move? Well, on my bicycle. It was my partner in crime, I always say, and it takes a lot of courage, a lot of effort, but it was all worth it, not only for this moment, but for the people I've met. And yeah, it's been an unforgettable experience for sure. It's always the people. Like, I've been to Mount Everest, I've seen the Taj Mahal, I've seen countries I've never been before. But moments like this, the people I've got to meet along the way, moments I can share with my family here that will stick for me forever. I've been here before. I believe the last time was in 2008. I was a little boy. I don't remember too much. I still remember some faces, and what I always remember was the kindness, the welcome, and yeah, I always, even though I live in Germany, I always still feel connected to family that I have here. So let's celebrate. I feel it's a historic moment, not only in my life, but also for the city of Taguig, and let's all remember this day as a one to celebrate, because I believe this unique journey. Thank you so much.
Ayan mga ka-ogang, siguro nagtataka po kayo sa aking in-upload na video dahil wala po siyang opening. I mean, ayan po, siguro kilala nyo po ito dahil nagbablog din po siya sa YouTube. Actually, itong taong to ay nagbabike lang po siya, no? Gamit yung kanyang bike sa pagpunta kung saan-saang bansa. No? Siya po ay si Justin Sylvester Berg. Kung tawagin siya, Justin Berg. Siya po ay 23 years old, Pilipino at German po. No? Ang kanyang tatay is German, Pilipina po ang kanyang nanay. Actually, proud to say po na tiga-Taguig po at Wawa-Taguig po ang kanyang nanay, si Miss Lani Manuel Sylvester Berg. No? Si Lani Manuel Sylvester Berg ay taga-Taguig talaga. Naninirahan po siya dito sa Barangay Wawa. Si Justin ng kanyang pamilya ay pabalik-balik na mula noon pa dito sa Pilipinas, particular dito sa Barangay Wawa, Taguig. Sinimula ni Justin ang kanyang paglalakbay gamit ang kanyang bisikleta noong Disyembre 2023, guys. 'Di ba amazing? Nadaanan niya na ang mga bansang Germany, Austria, Slovenia, Hungary, Serbia, Bulgaria, Turkey, Iran, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam. Sa kasalukuyan, si Justin ay nasa Vietnam, ang huling bansa na kanya madadaanan bago makarating ng Pilipinas. Inaasahan na si Justin ay makakarating sa Pilipinas sa October 26, 2024. Magbibisikleta si Justin mula sa Naiya patungo sa Barangay Wawa, bayan ng Taguig. And finally, dumating po siya rito nung Saturday po. At nakita nyo naman po sa aking intro, talagang winelcome po siya ng Barangay Wawa, Taguig. Especially po ng aming Kapitana Rosalie Buenaflor at Kapitan Philip Buenaflor. Kasama syempre ang staff ng barangay at mga kagawad council po ng barangay. No? At malaking pasasalamat po namin at pribilehiyo na makapiling po't makita po ang isang vlogger na ito. At hindi lang po vlogger, at siya po ay talagang biruin nyo naman po, di ba? Nakakapagod yung ginagawa niya, na bawat stopover niya talaga makikita mo na yung bawat bansa na kanyang stopover ay katulad ng Vietnam, ng Nepal, 'di ba? At wini-welcome po siya ng mga tao doon kasi nakaka-amaze po yung ginagawa niya. Nagbabike po siya, nagta-travel siya through bike lang po yung kanyang gamit. At si Justin ay hindi rin ako makapaniwala na tiga-Taguig po siya, no? At naniwala lang din po ako nung nakita ko po yung kanyang mother, kasi yung mother niya nakikita ko lang din po dito sa Barangay Wawa natin. At talagang minsan namimili pa, nakakasabay namin mamili. So yung pala yung kanyang mother. So amazing kasi meron po tayong isang mamamayan na taga-Taguig at dito pa mismo sa aming Barangay Wawa na sikat po siya at talagang pinagkakaguluhan at pinagmamalaki po namin, no? Na isa po siyang Pinoy at tigawawa. No? Alright mga kaogang, antabayanan po natin kung ano po yung mga pinagkakaabalahan ni Justin Berg.